And there we have it, folks. We got the bird's nest going. We use steel wool. What's up, everybody? Mike, Lone Cedar Outdoors. We're coming to you with episode 3 of our All About Fire series. So today's guest presenter, we got Bill Bluss from Gray Wolf Outdoors, and he's going to be going over lighting a fire with steel wool and a 9-volt battery. So we're going to go ahead and turn it over to him, and we'll come back after and we'll see if we learned anything, if we can pick it up and do it just like him. So Bill, take it away.
Thanks for the introduction, Mike. And also, thank you for having me on your YouTube channel. And as Mike said, I'm Bill, and my YouTube channel is Gray Wolf Outdoors. Now, Mike asked me to do a short little video on making a fire. He gave me my choice of what I want to use to make a fire. And even though this has been done on YouTube before, I like this type of fire. So I'm going to start a fire with a Vaseline impregnated cotton ball and steel wool and a 9-volt battery. If this interests you guys, stick around, watch the intro, and I'll be right back. Welcome back, guys and gals. As you can see, I have a teepee fire lay. Now, for the past week, it's been raining off and on, and all the wood's really wet. So I put a Vaseline impregnated cotton ball in the teepee fire lay itself. Normally I wouldn't do that, but again, the rain has been soaking all the wood. Now, here's another Vaseline cotton ball. Fluff it up a little bit. Steel wool. Triple-aught steel wool works best. Fluff it up. Put your cotton ball there. Get your 9-volt battery and just touch it. There we go. Simple. I love it. That steel wool out of there. Get that cotton ball up in there. As you can see, that Vaseline impregnated cotton ball is burning very, very well. As you can see, even though the wood is damp and it's smoking because it's damp, we have a fire with steel wool, a 9-volt battery, and a Vaseline impregnated cotton ball. Pretty cool. All right, guys and gals, that's it. Pretty simple. Just do what I do and you can do the same thing. Hey, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hey, Mike, I appreciate you having me as a guest on your channel. Hope to do it again. All right, guys and gals, until later, be safe, take care, bye.
What's up, everyone? Thank you, Bill. Hell of a presentation. So we're gonna try to do the same thing. You know, he showed us how to do it. Let's see if we got what it takes to get this going. So we got our steel wool, and he said to use triple-aught. So I am doing the same. I'm gonna use triple-aught. Got my 9-volt, got my bird's nest at my feet. So it shouldn't be too hard. Just put it there. And there it goes, taking off. And there we have it, folks. We got the bird's nest going. We use steel wool. Still going. I'm gonna put it out. But that was making fire with steel wool and a 9-volt battery. So I want to thank Bill over at Gray Wolf Outdoors. We'll be coming back to you with episode 4. Make sure we share this video, like it, comment, because we're gonna have some big names coming up. We're gonna have some awesome people on here. So stick around for episode 4. We're gonna have James from Smoking Face Pal Outdoors. So come back. We'll We'll see you on the next one. This is Mike, Lone Cedar Outdoors. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thanks for all the support.